Now we'll talk about the relationship between plastic and environment. So let's see, a material which gets decomposed through natural processes by bacteria or bacteria are called biodegradable. What are biodegradable? The material which gets decomposed through natural process by bacteria are called biodegradable materials. Plastics take several years to decompose. It is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. When it is burnt, it releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollutions. As I've told you, the materials which get decomposed by natural processes by bacteria are biodegradable materials. But if we'll talk about plastics take several years to get decomposed, and they are not environment friendly because they create pollution in environment, and when they burnt, they create poisonous gases in environment, which is very danger for our health, which for animals health, and for environment. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is called non-biodegradable material. That is why plastics are non-biodegradable materials, because they cannot get decomposed easily by natural processes. Cow eating garbage food. If we are talking about the relationship between plastic and environment, this is very important aspect, that what happens when cows eating garbage food. Cows sometimes eat garbage. Cows eating garbage food. Cows sometimes eat the garbage food present in the garbage dump. In the process of eating the food waste, they swallow the polythene bag and wrappers of food. Whenever we used to dump the garbage, whenever we used to dump the food items in garbage, what happens? Cows used to eat that garbage dump, and in that process they sometimes swallow the polythene bags and wrappers of food. So that is why we should not throw polythene bags here and there, especially in drains clogging it. Whenever we throw the plastic bags anywhere, what happens? They clog the drainage system. That is why, as a responsible citizen, we should not throw garbage and wrappers of food like chips, biscuits, etc. on the road or in parks and picnic places. Fiber wise, do not throw plastic bags in the water bodies or on the road. Take a cotton carry bag or a jute bag while going for shopping instead of plastic bags. What we can do for reducing the use of plastics, we should take cotton carry bag or a jute bag while going for shopping instead of plastic bags. Try to minimize the use of plastic materials. For example, use a steel lunch box instead of plastic lunch box. This one is also an example for reducing the use of plastics in daily life. What we can do, we can use steel lunch box instead of plastic lunch box.